Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to solve problems related to exponential equation. Here is our problem. Solve for x. The equation is 2 to the 63rd plus 2 to the 63rd is equal to 8 to the x. Now, copying now the equation. So we have 2 to the 63rd plus 2 to the 63rd is equal to 8 to the x. First thing to do as a strategy is to factor out the common factor, which is 2 to the 63rd. And what happened there is that I leave 1 plus 1 is equal to 8 to the x. Working with that, when you add now 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So you multiply now 2 to the 63rd to 2 to the 1 is equal to 8 to the x. Now, remember that there is 1 as an exponent of 2. So therefore, we will have now the next one, which is adding now loss of exponent 63 plus 1, since you're multiplying with the same basis. So 2 raised to 63 plus 1 is equal to 8 raised to x. Dividing now our solution, let's continue this on this side. So that will be 2 to the 64 is equal to 8 raised to x. Now, let's go now to the right-hand side of the equation. We're done with the left. So as you can see, this is the left side. Now, let's go with the right-hand side. Remember that 8 is 2 cube, and then x, so there will be a parenthesis. Now, using now loss of exponent as well, it could be denoted by 2 to the 64 is equal to 2 raised to 3x. Now, since the base are the same, we can now equate that 64 is equal to 3x. Now, having now the final answer, now we'll be dividing both hand side by 3, so the answer is 64 over 3. Thank you for watching this video. Hoping you learned something about exponential equation. Thank you very much. Have a great day.